Super luxurious living area. So this is our kitchen. Well, we have a lot of space. So this is our master bedroom. Super big. It is. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. This is Karuna Acharya and today we are here at Royal Heritage by Sipani. Well, like you know, we have come here for the sample flat tours. And we shall together dive into every aspect to see what makes this luxurious flats your dream house. Before that, there is something I want to tell you about Housey. So, Housey is the first real estate platform that directly connects home buyers and developers. With this, you get bottommost price guaranteed. Not just that, I'm sure most of you must have experienced the frustration of making inquiries online only to be hit back with calls from various brokers. But at Housey, since the listings are done directly by the builders, there's no broker who is involved. So you can rest easy and enjoy this beautiful tour and decide that you want to make this your dream house or not. Now let's go and check out our luxurious flats. Okay, so now let's discuss about the project overview of the super luxurious Royal Heritage by Sipani Groups. Well, firstly, this super luxurious project is located in Channapura, Bengaluru. Talking about the land parcel of this particular project is 9.32 acres, consisting of one basement, ground and 14 floors with 14 towers. Variants being 2 and 3 BHK. Now let's talk about the connectivity. Well, the connectivity of the super luxurious project is just 5 minutes to Hosur Road, 15 minutes to Electronic City and 25 minutes to HSR layout. Now let's discuss about the amenities, my favorite part because you get such ultra luxurious amenities that you crave to come and get a flat here. Well, we have clubhouses, gym area, senior citizen park, kids play area, multi-purpose court, sand volleyball court and so on. So who does not like an ultra luxurious amenities, right? So I am here to show you a glimpse of some ultra luxurious amenities of this super luxurious flat. Come on with me. So as you can see, we have this beautiful building over here, which is our amenities building where you can find a lot of ultra amazing amenities. You can see how beautifully the artwork is done over here. So this building is something you're supposed to surely come in for your relaxation or for some games and some fun. Now let's go and check out our super luxurious swimming pool where you can chill and relax with your family and friends. So this is our swimming pool, which you can see we have a big swimming pool, and as you can see that this is just right next to our amenities building. Here you can see we have a swimming pool which is very clean and neatly maintained, which you can enjoy with your friends and family. So we are inside this beautiful luxurious amenities building. As you can see, this is our ground floor where we have the party hall for you to arrange parties and have some fun with family and friends. In the first floor, we have super equipped gym. And in the second floor, we have a tennis court for you to have some relaxation and playtime. Okay, so now we have reached our 2 BHK sample flat for the tour. Let's go and check out our super luxurious beautiful flat. Come on in. Well, as soon as we enter, we have this really welcoming, beautiful, super luxurious living area. As you can see, we have a lot of space. It's very spacious. We have TV unit here for you to place your TV, and also we have this beautiful decor, which is completely customizable according to your taste and choice. And we have this beautiful, huge balcony, which is connected to our living area. As you can see, we have this really spacious balcony over here right next to living area, giving it more of, feels and vibes and positivity, good air and sunlight to your living area. And we have a pretty good view from here, so you just sit back and relax. So yes, this is our balcony. Moving ahead, let's now go and check out our luxurious kitchen. So this is our kitchen. Well, we have a lot of space. And also we have this area which can be used as your utility, and we have big window for good light and ventilation. We have a lot of storage spaces over here for you to store. Even below you can see we have a lot of storage spaces, cupboards for you to store your essentials. And we have in this area which is very smartly made for you to store your refrigerators or fridge. And also we have this very cute little storage over here, which looks really aesthetic and clean, as this is like kind of an open kitchen. Now let's come to this area, which is the dining area, which is right next to your kitchen, which makes it easy for you to, like communicate with kitchen and have your me time with family. So this is a 4-seater dining area which is accommodated over here and looks pretty spacious. So before checking out the bedrooms, let's check out our common washroom. Well, we have anti-skid tiles, high-end sanitary fittings, and a window for good light and ventilation. Now let's go and check out our room number 1. Well, this is our room number 1. It's very beautiful. It's not that big, but it's very cozy and you're giving a very positive vibes. We have big window which will give you good light and ventilation to your bedroom. Also, we have this storage space here for you to store essentials. So this is our bedroom number 1. Now let's go and check out our master bedroom, which like I said, this is a 2 BHK flat. So this is our second bedroom, which is the master bedroom. So this is our master bedroom, but wait, before we get into the master bedroom, I want to give you some information about Housey. So at Housey, we give you sample flat tours, 360-degree virtual tours, pros and cons of a particular project, pricing details including EMI and down payment details. After all this, if you like the project and you want to book your free site visit, all you have to do is click on the link given in the description box. So don't wait and go and book your sample free site visit now. Now let's check out our master bedroom. So this is our master bedroom, super big. It is really big. We have a lot of space here to move around the bed. Also, you can have some storage, some tables here kept, beside your bed. Also, this area can be used for your TV unit or for some decoration purpose, completely customizable. We have wardrobe here for you to store your essentials. Also, we have an attached washroom which has anti-skid tiles, high-end sanitary fittings, and of course a window for good light and ventilation. Also, we have a nice mirror unit over here which can be customizable. We have a big mirror here which can be customizable according to you, and you can make this as your dressing area. Also, as you can see, we have a door here which leads to the balcony. Since this is a sample flat, they have just placed it, but in the real flat, you get a beautiful balcony over here overseeing luxurious and beautiful greenery and nature. And we have, of course, window for good light and ventilation. So this was our 2 BHK sample flat at Royal Heritage by Sipani Properties. So guys, if you like this particular property and you want to book your free site visit, all you have to do is register at thehousey.com. Also, if you want the e-brochure of this particular project, you need to click the link in the description box to download the e-brochure. Also, if you have any positive or negative feedback regarding the property, the location, the builders, you can let us know or drop your comments in the comment section below. Last but certainly not the least, do not forget to subscribe Housey for more such informative and amazing videos. That was it for today. I'll see you next time with yet another amazing home tour, flat tour, villa tours. Till then, take care and goodbye.
So guys, this was the 2 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Sipani Royal Heritage located in Chandapura Road by Sipani Properties.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.